first coat down. What's up, everybody? It's Joe D, and welcome to Iration's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I restored this old coffee table. So as you can see, it's pretty weathered. The wood is spreading apart at the joints and seams. It's bowing. It looks pretty crappy. The old stain is coming off. We've got some cracks, little nails coming out here and there. This thing's been sitting in the sun and rain for the last couple years, so it's pretty much cooked. And first off, in this process, we're going to just sand everything, all the surfaces. Pretty much for this whole process of sanding, I used 120 grit sandpaper. There we go. The top layer has been sanded off. You can see the difference. What it was right there, the darker, and then on top, freshly sanded, looking a lot better. You want to make sure to give it a good wipe down if it's been outside. This table had a bunch of mud and dirt, cobwebs, spiders, all kind of caked to it, so if you go over that with your sandpaper, it kind of sticks to that and makes the process a lot more difficult and time consuming. Sanding is probably the most time consuming in this process, but it's also pretty easy and relatively enjoyable. Now this table is super heavy, probably weighs about 100 pounds, solid wood. Not really sure what kind of wood it is, but at one point it was a really nice table. So you can already tell the difference between what it was and what it is after the first day of sanding. Okay, this is day 2. I had a little rain the night before, so covered it up, and we're just going to continue on sanding. Now you'll notice on this sander there's a little baggie hanging off the back, and that catches all the sawdust created during this process. And right after this, we're going to use that sawdust and combine it with some wood glue and use that to fill all the gaps between the wood and cracks. There it is, all sanded down. Looks pretty clean and good. But you can see the gaps right there between the wood, and that's what I'm about to fill with the wood glue and sawdust mixture. But first we have tack cloths. These are kind of like sticky, waxy little cloths that you want to wipe the table down with after your sanding process. And this gets all the fine particulate and dust off, so you have a clean slate to apply your glue mixture. So here I'm taking out the sawdust out of the little baggie, and it's conveniently the right color that I want for the table. Combine that with a little wood glue, mix it up, make a little paste. Whoops, bit much. Now right here I'm just doing a little test run before I did the whole thing and realized I made a mistake. And I'm glad I did that because I realized that I want to tape on either side of each crack so that when I do the sawdust and glue mixture, it makes the cleanup afterwards a lot easier. And you just take that mixture and you kind of spread it out and cram it down the cracks. Now I only mixed small batches of this because it dried pretty quickly, and this day was hot, so I had to do batch for batch. Alright, we peel the tape back and see how our job was. Alright, I spared you the process of getting all that tape off. But you can see right there is a little bit of the dried glue mixture with sawdust, but minor cleanup. Now we just want to sand it all down and make sure all the surfaces are even and flush. Alright, this is when we do the stain process. This is a clear coat water base, and this day was pretty warm, so as with the glue it was drying pretty quickly, so I had to move fast. Alright, there we have it, folks. That's Koa the dog inspecting the table. It looks like he approves, so I think we're done here. You can see how the sanding and staining really improved the look and condition of this wood. All the details are popping out and it looks pretty nice. Right on, guys. That's about it. If you thought this video was cool, give a thumbs up and be sure to leave some kind of comment down below. All right, everybody. Thanks.